If you've been trying to figure out which VPN actually gives you the best mix of speed and security in 2025, it probably feels like every site is just tossing a dozen names at you without a clear answer. So in this video, I'll keep it simple and show you which ones are really worth looking at. And if you do end up wanting to grab one, I've dropped the links in the description and added QR codes on screen where you can also get the best current deals on each of them. Okay, so here are the VPNs that have both amazing speed and security. First up is Norton VPN, which has built its whole reputation on balancing speed with some of the strongest security in the game. Their servers are consistently fast, even during peak hours, which is huge if you stream or torrent a lot. On top of that, they've got extras like TotalVPN for added privacy and cybersec that blocks ads and malware while you browse. They're also one of the most reliable when it comes to unblocking streaming platforms, so whether you're watching Netflix, Hulu, or regional content, Nord rarely fails. Right now, they're offering 74% off plus 3 months free. Then there's TotalVPN, which is underrated, but honestly worth considering if you want something lightweight and simple. It doesn't overwhelm you with fancy features you'll never use, but it gives you enough security and speed to get the job done. The app is straightforward, setup takes minutes, and it works across tons of devices without slowing them down. If you just want a VPN that protects your privacy and keeps things smooth while you browse or stream, this is it. Their promotion of 80% off right now makes it really easy to give it a try without overspending. Now, CyberCoast VPN is another strong contender, especially because of its massive server network. More servers mean less congestion, which directly translate to faster speeds. They're especially popular with people who stream or torrent since they even have dedicated profiles that make finding the right server a no-brainer. CyberGhost also adds a kill switch, which is critical if your VPN connection drops because it keeps your data from leaking out. It's 84% off right now with 4 free months. Surfshark VPN is a favorite of mine for the flexibility it brings. One account works on unlimited devices, so you don't have to juggle logins or worry about kicking someone off. It's one of the fastest VPNs out there. It's secure with features like clean web to block ads and trackers, and it's fantastic at blocking content globally. If you're someone who really streams across multiple platforms or travels often, Surfshark just makes life easier. On top of that, the app design is super clean, so using it every day doesn't feel like a chore. Their current offer gives you 60% off plus 3 free months as well. And then there's Norton VPN, which comes from a name almost everyone recognizes in the security space. If you've used Norton antivirus before, you'll feel right at home because their VPN slots right into the same ecosystem. Even if you haven't, it's still a straightforward and trustworthy option. It doesn't overcomplicate things, setup is quick, the speeds are stable, and it quietly keeps your data safe in the background. It's the kind of VPN that just works, and sometimes that's exactly what you need. They've got a deal right now with up to $35 off, which makes it easier to add to your toolkit if you want something from a brand you already trust. So those are the fastest and most secure VPNs right now. If you're interested in any of them, then hit the links in the description below or simply scan the QR code on your screen to get those deals I mentioned. Now, before I wrap this up, let me ask you this. When it comes to VPNs in 2025, do you care more about speed for streaming and gaming, or do you lean more towards the advanced privacy features? Go ahead, drop your answer in the comment below. I want to know what you guys think.